Well, hello and welcome to another Why Not Wednesday!
Hey.
A little delay now because we're not next to each other.
It's weird.
You talk, then I talk, and then that's a bit. How you doing, Saffron? You all right?
I'm good. How are you?
I am good. I am very good, thank you. It's our first ever Why Not Wednesday socially distancing.
Yeah, it's a bit weird. I don't feel the same competitiveness like online until we'll probably start playing, and then it will probably come out.
I was going to say that'll change when we start doing.
Yeah.
It. Mental thing. We recorded all those videos. 13 weeks ago? 12 weeks ago?
Crazy.
That's
that
mental.
was so long. I didn't think it was that long.
We did a lot of videos to keep us going.
We did. We did. I think that's why I was losing, because I was so tired from how many videos
you were mentally losing, just that repetitive loss after loss.
Back. Not
well, you've
good.
had 13 weeks, Saffron, to get your head in the game.
I've been practicing all these little challenges.
Well, Saffron, tell us what we've got to do today. What's our challenge today?
So today we have the classic loo roll, the one that seems to, well, at the beginning of lockdown was nowhere to be found, but now we have some, which is good.
People that have got loads in their house now, what are they going to do with it all?
No. They could do this challenge and then send us in a video of it, so that'll be good. So with our loo roll, what we have to do is we have to flip it up in the air and we have to try and land it on our finger, and so we're going to see who can do it first. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Did you need to ask a question? Or?
I was going to say, are we doing it first? Yeah, that's fine. That's what you said, so it's no problem. Okay.
Oh wait, have you been? I've not practiced this. Have you practiced it?
I've not practiced this. Honestly, I haven't practiced it at all. I've been tempted. I'm not gonna lie, I was tempted, but I thought, no, I'm gonna do it fresh.
Okay. Okay, I've not practiced this one. Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, nearly.
No.
Oh, this is so much harder than I thought it was. Got it!
Oh. Is that your middle finger, Saffron?
Huh? Mate, I'm so proud of myself.
That is so hard.
Oof.
Oh.
Oh. No. It's actually quite difficult. It's a lot more difficult than
really hard.
I won though, so I'm happy.
You did win. I'll give you that one.
Competitive online. Oh no. Have you managed to do it yet?
I haven't got one yet.
I'm gonna try and see how many. Oh no, I keep getting it.
Oh.
Oh.
Well, I think officially. Oh, there we go. I got it. Finally, I got one. I got one. I was going to say, I think officially this title needs to go to the other screen. You can be Why Not Wednesday champion for a week. See how that feels, Saffron.
For a week.
Oh, I did it again. There we go. That's 2.
Doesn't count. We said first one, not how many.
3.
So. No, I'm claiming that title.
Did you throw it high or did you just do a little one?
I don't know actually, because I was kind of just getting caught up in trying to do it, not focusing on how high I was doing it.
Saffron, well done. You are today's Wind Up Wednesday champion. Take it.
So proud of myself.
We need a trophy. We need a trophy that we can just have, that we pass to one another socially distant.
Not got any like doorstep.
Just tuck it and drop it and then roll.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much, everyone, for watching. We'll see you next week. Take care of yourself, stay safe, and God bless.
See you later.